Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is the most interesting topic, which is binomial theorem. I am going to deal with the tricks in this chapter. Let's start now. Now first one, find the independent of x in given expansion. Solve within 2 seconds. Now first one is given expansion, root over x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 10. Now solution is root over x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 10. This can be written as x power 1 by 2 by 3 power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2x square whole power 10. Comparing with x plus a whole power n. Here x value is x power 1 by 2 by 3 power 1 by 2. A value is 3 by 2 x square. N value is 10. Okay. First we can find actually the general term of x plus a whole power n formula is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. We can find r value. Okay. Here first term you should be take first term. Here x power is 1 by 2. Numerator only you observe numerator. X power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 10. 10 by 2 minus. Here x power is 1 by 2. Second term denominator also 2x square is there. Here also x square. X power is 2. Here x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus r is equal to 0. We have to find independent of x means you should take here is equal to 0. That implies 5 is equal to 5 by 2r. Implies r is equal to 2. Not taking this formula, you have to write direct. NCR అంటే 10CR 10C2 into, okay, you have to take first term except x power 1 by 2. 1 by 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 10 minus 2 into, here also except x square 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, 10C2 means 10 factorial by 10 minus 2 factorial into 10C2 is equal to 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial, 8 factorial. 10 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 10. Okay, 8 factorial means 1 to 8. 1 to 8, 1 to 8 cancel. Here numerator is 9 into 10. Denominator 2 factorial, 1 into 2 into 1 by 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 8, 3 square by 2 square. 45 into 3 power 4 into 3 square by 2 square. 2 times cancel. 45 by 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. 9 4s are 36. That's enough. Now second problem is root x by 3 minus 4 by x square whole power 10. Given expansion is x power 1 by 2 by 3 minus 4 by x square whole power 10. This value is n. This is capital X, totally capital X. This one is totally capital A. Okay, here x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 10. 10 by 2. First you can find r value. 1 by 2 into 10. 10 by 2 minus. Okay. Here x power 1 by 2, here x square is there. 1 by 2 plus 2, 5 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 is 5 by 2. R that is equal to 0. 5 is equal to 5 by 2 R. Here also R value 2. Okay. NCR 10C2. You can find independent of x 10C2. Here first except first you have to take first term except x term. Okay, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 whole power 10 minus 2. Here also except x, remaining only numerator minus 4 whole square, that is equal 10c2 into 1 by 3 power 8 into 4 square, minus square is plus, 10c2 value 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 8 factorial, 4 square by 3 power 8. This can be written 10 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 10. 8 factorial is 1 to 8. 1 to 8, 1 to 8 can be cancelled. 9 into 10 by 2 factorial is 1 into 2. That is equal to 4 square by 3 power 8. 9 can be written as 3 square into 10 by 2. This is 2 square whole square, 2 power 4 by 3 power 8. Here 6 times is there, 5. Okay, 2 power 4 is 16. 16 5 80 by 3 power 6. 3 power 6 is 729. That's enough. Now next question. 2x square by 5 plus 15 by 4x whole power 9. Solution. Given expansion is 2x square by 5 plus 15 by 4x whole power 9. Here n value is 9. Capital X value is 2x square by 5. This is small a value. Okay. We can find r value. First of all, here x power is 2. 2 into 9, 18 minus x power 2 is there, here x power 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3r is equal to 0. Again, 2 into 9, 18 minus here x power 2 is there, 2 plus here x power is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. R is equal to 0, which implies 18 is equal to 3r. R value is 6. Okay. NCR 9C6. First term coefficient 2 by 5. 2 by 5 whole power 9 minus 6. Second term is here 15 by 4x except x. 15 by 4 whole power 6. That is equal to 9C6. 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. 6 factorial means 1 to 6. 9 factorial means 1 to 9. Up to 6 cancel. 7 into 8 into 9 by n. 9 minus 6 is 3 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3. Here 9c6 is equal to 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 9 minus 6. 3 factorial. 6 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into and so on 6. 9 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 and so on 9. Up to 6 cancelled. These two terms, remaining terms 7 into 8 into 9. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 2 cube by 5 cube into 3 into 5. 3 power 6 into 5 power 6 by this is 2 square whole power 6. That is 7 into 2 cube into 3 square by 3 into 2. Okay. 2 cube by 5 cube into 3 power 6 into 5 power 6 by 2 power 12. 2 cube into 2 cube is 2 power 6. These two terms cancel here. 6 terms is there. Okay. 5 cube cancel here. 3 times is there. Here only 5 times. 1 time cancelled. Remaining terms 7 into 3 power 5 into 3 square. 3 power 7. Here remaining term is 5 cube by 2 power 6 into 2. 2 power 7. That's enough. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned with my channel.